EcoFlow Power Kits batteries come in two sizes, 2 kWh and 5 kWh. Both types use the safest and most reliable battery chemistry, lithium iron phosphate, otherwise known as LFP. On the front of the battery, you'll see the digital display of battery percentage and the error indicators on the screen and the power button. On the top, you'll find two handles on the batteries for easy transport and lifting. There's also a male battery port which is used to connect to the power hub and one fuse cover which houses a fuse box inside. The battery isn't just compatible with power kits, it's also compatible with commercially available 40-volt to 60-volt third-party systems. When connecting to third-party systems, use the specially designed LFP battery polarity adapter. The adapter converts the battery port into two configurable OT terminals and two CAN BUS communication ports. You can then monitor the operating status of each battery by connecting the EcoFlow Power Kit console or EcoFlow wireless communication dongle via the CAN BUS communication ports. That's an overview of the EcoFlow LFP batteries. Need more tutorials? Head to the EcoFlow Support YouTube channel for more.